Welcome to Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews, where today I'm going to take a look at this very attractive Sony Ericsson Z530i, which was released in 2006. As you can see, the handset is O2 branded, which was MM02 before that and BT Cellnet prior to that. The body is 90 by 47 by 24 millimeters, came in at 93 grams and used the typical mini SIM of that period. As I mentioned earlier, the Sony Ericsson Z530 is a very attractive handset, and Sony Ericsson didn't miss a trick here. They also produced the Sony Ericsson W300, which is almost identical in appearance. I've got a link down in the description showing the unboxing of that handset. If you're enjoying the video, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe, and if you've had this handset in the past, why not write a few details in the comment section below. Coming in with 65,000 colours, the display had 128 by 160 pixels, which worked out at 114 pixels per inch. And as you've already seen, there was a second external display which was 101 by 80 pixels. Internally there was 24 meg of memory you could save all your pictures and music on. There was also a card slot where you could save up to 2 GB of data. Camera wise there was one, there was also video capable, and because we weren't outrageous narcissists back in the early 2000s, it didn't come equipped with any selfie camera. It was a bit too soon for this handset to be Wi-Fi capable, however it did come with Bluetooth, an infrared port and a proprietary USB port also. One of the important features around that time was the ability to change the covers, which you could do with the Z530i, put different colours on, make it nice and shiny. It also had a media player, a photo editor, predictive text input organizer and voice memo. Battery wise, the Z530i came equipped with the BST33, which was a lithium ion 900mAh battery. You got standby time of 350 to 400 hours and talk time of 8.5 to 9 hours. If you like, you can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook and our sister site, Love Sony Ericsson. I'll put the links in the description, and also if you're enjoying the video, once again I'd appreciate if you'd hit that like and subscribe, and write a few comments down below there in the comments section. Finally, you could buy the handset from manufacturer in soft black, chromic grey, which you see now obviously, and elegant red, and you could buy it for around 90 to 100 euros. I do hope you've enjoyed the video from me, Alan, here at Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. Once again, if you have, hit the like, subscribe, and once again, if you've had this handset or you've any experiences with it, I'd appreciate a few comments down there in the comments section.